Hello students, class preparatory, welcome you to your e-learning English class, and I am your taking today English class. Now what we will do, we will practice activity with this and that. So we do index finger, that means that, and no finger, that means this. Today we will start this activity. Then let's go with me. So our activity is ready here. So now what we will do, we will practice this activity. Okay, we know also that a small arrow is this and big arrow for that. We can also use that one here. So let's start our activity. So first it is given, there is a tree. There is a tree, and here is given, it is small arrow, and thereafter dash is a tree. What you will write down here? You will write down dash is a tree and small arrow indicate this. So now what we can do? This is a tree. So this is a tree. We can do this one. Thereafter we have a big arrow here. So it is also a star. So it is also star. What we can do? Dash is a star. Dash is a star. Here you already given big arrow. So what we can do? We will do big arrow. It is big arrow. It is, yes, big arrow. It is that. So we write down THAT because star always far from us. So we can do that is a star. Okay. So first one already we have done. So this is a tree. Next is that is a star. Next, number 1, 2 and 3. Number 3, what we can do? There is a picture of a heart. There is a picture of a heart, and dash is a heart. Dash is a heart. You will put here this or that. There is small arrow. So you will put, what you will put? You will put, small arrow means this. So you will put this. This is a heart. And another, there is an egg. Yummy, yummy egg. So what you will put? A small arrow, then you will put dash is an egg. Dash is an egg. It is small arrow, that means this is an egg. Now we will do 2 more fill in the blanks with this and that. Let's see that one. No, so this is more one activity just for you. You will do it by yourself. Okay, this work. So what we will do? Dash is a balloon. The small arrow is here. What you will put? You will put, yes, this is a balloon. Do it by yourself. Another is, there is moon, Chand Mama. So moon, a big arrow. Thereafter dash is the moon. What you will do? Dash is the moon. This or that? Yes, it will be that. That is the moon. Very good. Thereafter, there is a small cap. Small arrow. Dash is a cap. So it will be So it will be, yes. So it will be, dash is, yes. So this is a cap. Small arrow, another is cat. But a big arrow is there. So dash is a cat. You will put, that is a cat. So this is a balloon. That is the moon. This is a cap, and that is a, this is a cap, and that is a cat. You will do this work by yourself, this activity, and send me in the class in chat box. Okay? So till now, tata for today.